Hello, how are you? Welcome to my channel. This is Gogi Bruno. Today we are talking about the prostate enlargement and how you can prevent the prostate from enlarging. This starts at 25 when the active ingredient as an antioxidant in the male starts to deplete, and for most men 1 out of 8 are getting cancer. For most men after 25 to 40 the prostate starts enlarging. So my main objective is to help a man. So a happy man means a happy prostate. So if your urine force has started to fail, then we are happy to tell you that you can avoid the catheter. And also this is a program that prevents the prostate from enlarging and disrupting your life. So I give procedures in terms of preventing dribbling. So we service the prostate, which is a man's organ for reproductive system. A healthy prostate really usually the size of a walnut, and it usually expands. It's for making sperm count. It's also very good for preventing prostatitis, which is the enlargement of the prostate, and also those men who experience difficulty in urine, and if you find drops of urine around the zip, then this is a major issue. So when a man gets to 25, the antioxidant that prevents prostate enlargement usually depletes, so the capacity begins to decline. So our objective is to return to prevent discomfort when you get to 40 and above, 50, 60, 70, and to prevent a man from experiencing problems and wearing a catheter. So for any man who is above 35, it's now we talk. And once 50% of male are facing prostate health challenges, it could be silent, it could be that you're not experiencing any symptom, but doesn't show that if you're not going for the PSA test, then our objective is to give you results in terms of prevention. Secondly, also we look at dangers that are associated with prostate inflammation, like male sterility for men who have low sperm motility, unsatisfactory sexual performance at home, enlargement of the prostate that could also reduce quality of the prostate to create prostate cancer. And then also it affects the quality of a man in terms of his lifespan. So when it comes to the prostate, we are more keen in creating awareness and also telling men this can be helped so that you don't keep quiet. I know most men bottle and they keep this hidden, but the stress that really affects them, be it chronic infections to the prostate gland, be it gynecological inflammation that could cause prostatitis, could cause chlamydia, other problems, reduce quality of life for the man, especially now that his sexual health is affected, and difficulty stopping urination or frequent urination at night. So you find men throwing their hands in the air when they are walking, looking very tired during the day because the prostate is going through the shift in terms of inflammation, difficulty with the sexual intercourse, difficulty staying asleep at night because of that frequent urination. So when we are addressing the prostate, we are looking at how best we can have a timely therapy. We can also address problems of uremia. So for men who are taking blue tab, shooting blanks, blaming their women, this is a program that would help you prevent prostatitis, prevent prostate enlargement, prevent prostate calculi, prevent prostate cancer, issues of having to take blue tab because of irregular sexual health. Then it also improve your nerves. Most men complain about blood clot in the wrong places, especially if there is a swelling in the prostate or the prostate gland. This could also cause other common prostate diseases, and you don't want to be that man who struggles to urinate. So when you attend to the prostate, then it will not disrupt your daily life. Like men who wear catheter, men who have problems with the semen, UTIs in the urethra, in the bladder, in the kidney, failure to maintain healthy sexual health. So we reboot the man in terms of preventing 10 to 15% of men who are experiencing fatherhood and motherhood. And issues of prostate could really affect the quality of a man's health. So we give you maca, which is a reboot for the tired body, and maca recovers the body and helps the body to function optimally. The Incan warriors used to use this, so it's a good one for preventing you for the line of duty. Then I also give men's vitality supplement like prostate relax, which prevents drops of urine around the zip. For the man who's struggling to empty the urethra to emit the precious liquid, to prevent impotence, to restore spermatogenesis, and we are looking at facilitation of the reproductive system, ensuring that men who are above 40, 80% who are experiencing a urinary tract infection, kidney damage, bladder stones, sexual intercourse problems, and if you are dribbling urine around the zip, frequent urination, urgency to urinate, you find men stopping on the fence and urinating everywhere in public. So this is a product called Prostate Relax that's made of epimedium, and it's good for recovery of the prostate, making sure you don't develop an inflammation and giving you the best in terms of preventing benign prostate hyperplasia, making sure that our men are happy without weak urine streams, making sure you are having consistent ability to empty the bladder. And this is an antidote that sorts most men, helping men get to the best part possible in terms of keeping and preventing prostate inflammations, and just taking care of your prostate so that it can serve you better, so that you can live to 100 years without wearing a catheter, developing problems, urine problems. I've seen men who go to the urinal and they shake well after use. When they return inside the zip, that's when the precious liquid is pouring in the trouser. So this is a good product for keeping you on the stable and giving you the dignity you once had when you're in your 15th, 16th, 17th year. So brilliant in terms of preventing serious long-term effects like urinary tract infections, kidney damages, bladder stones, pain during sexual intercourse, incontinence where an adult is wearing a pamper because the prostate has gone south. So this is a solution for prostate enlargement and giving men dignity in terms of, I know men need to be taken care of, so our role is to reach out to every man out there to take care of your prostate and to give you the dignity you have, so that you reach 100 without developing prostate issues, or maybe you don't sit in a funny style because the prostate is developing a problem, or every other time you see a fence you have to stand there and urinate. So this is giving men the kind of solution. So emptying and relaxing your prostate, making sure it's supple, making sure you're able to shake well after use, and giving you that design not to be going through surgery for the prostate more often. So you can stop frequent urination on the fences and every other place, giving men that chance to hold their urine, but also a brilliant product for keeping your prostate away from cancer, because it has the antioxidants that give and feed and nourish and soften the prostate, so that at least every man out there can live the best life possible today. And this is a combination that sorts you out naturally without having to go for surgery. I also give 𝙤𝙬𝙧𝙖 and Prostate Relax are brilliant for preventing that inflammation. So it's natural, it's food, it's a food supplement that does well for giving the right building blocks for your prostate. Secondly, I also usually tell men that prostate is your best friend when it's able to help you prevent constant urine outlet and a normal flow of urine, making sure that you're supporting your hormone level, and also good for preventing premature ejaculation, no more embarrassments in the bedroom, no more damaged relationships, no more guilt. Prostate Relax promotes healthy testicular function and highly effective for mineral and vitamins, highly effective for preventing long-term inflammation of the prostate, good for epimedium is known as honey goat tweed, which is popular aphrodisiac and very good for keeping men on the stable. So I reach out to men because this is the only population that is not talked to, so that every man out there who's taking care of their families can come out of the comfort zone where you're feeling like you're chest thumping, to get out of where you're lacking confidence, fear zone, when you're giving excuses, when you're not going for the PSA test. And then you extend your comfort zone, you acquire new skill. Once you get to learning zone, then we can grow you in terms of to live your best dreams now, to achieve your goals, and to conquer your objectives, so that when you find your purpose in life, you can have the confidence to face your prostate and say, from today henceforth, we are going to give this prostate this kind of meal, so that you are in the information zone. And once you make the informed decision, you can be aware about your prostate, you can know how to take care of it. And when you live with the information, you can take away things like cancer, prostate inflammations, having problems with catheters and things like that. And with that care, then probably most men would live a happy life. And so this is my number, 0725 971726. Let's have a private session for male prostates. And it's no longer a secret. If you neglect the prostate, then it reaches a point where you must be on medication for life. So medication puts you in a funny scenario where you develop breasts. You have to do it for a lifetime. And it's a very superior way of keeping the prostate healthy, keeping you away from medication for life and those lifestyle diseases that come just because of omission of something that we could also have sorted using food. So reach me and let's talk. Thank you so much.